Nkwọ ọmanụ ụmụ ọdịnala Igbo, asị m ka chitata bụ nkwọ kwọtara anyị ihe ọma ma kpọpụrụ anyị ihe ọjọọ. Anyị ga-ejere obodo n'ara obodo, onye chụba anyị ya daa. Asị m na onye na-achụ anyị ga-ada, onye anyị na-achụkwazị ga-ada, maka na nwa eze bụ eze. Anụnwa agụ ama atarata ahịhịa ihe mfụ ya na-eme, maka na mmapụ adịghị egbu awọ. Nọ n'ihu ka oke enwe na-ama, anyị ga na-ama n'ihu. Anyị ga-adị ka echi, maka na echi adịghị agwụ agwụ. Onye echecha ihe ọjọọ ya ebe anya ma onwe ya. A sị n'ụbọchị ohie na-aga okporo ụzọ na ụkwụ anyị apụ anyị ama, ọ pụgoro anyị ama na anyị ejecha nata, maka na ọkụ na-akpacha na ajọ ọfịa ma ọ na-abụ onye nwe ya. A sị m onye isi anyị na-awụ aja ya were nke chụọ. Ise aka m bụkwa onye nke gị, Ogbuefi EZE-ANA Ugochi na oraifite. Abụ m onye isi nchụaja na Ugochi tubelu Odinana temple, bụrụkwazị onye nchụaja na ọdịnala restoration prayer minister, ya nakwazi onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. My mission is to help people live better life. N'isiokwu nke ụbọchị taa bụ nkwọ 6th of April, bụ gịnị bụ ndị Amosu, ihe niile ị kwesịrị ịma gbasara Amosu witchcraft. Mana bifo anyị gaa n'iru, echefukwara na ọ tata bụ 6th ka anyị bidoro aja nke anyị na-achụ kwa ọnwa nke ọnwa April. Ọ ga-last 14 days. On the 19th anyị ga-achịkọta ya bụ 19th anwa anyị ga-achụ aja dị iche iche ma gbuo ebulu. Anyị eji wee chịkọta ya mekwazi saraka. Ọ bụrụ na isonye wuru anyị na nke ọnwa ị nwekwazị ike isonyere anyị na nke ọnwa na-abịa n'ugwu nke ọnwa Mee. People's life are changing. Life is all about choice. Ndị niile sonyere anyị na aja later today, a ga-esendịrị ha ka o si wee gaa na tata anyị na-ebido onye bụ aja. Then ụbọchị a ga-emechizie esendịkwara ha vidio na voice na etu ihe niile si wee gaa. What you must know is that everything the bulk stop on your table. If you don't like what is happening to you right now, you are the one that will change it with positive thinking, with positive mindset, and positive act. A sị na onye nsị na-abaghị ebu ụzọ, onye ọbụla ga-abụ ga-enyere gị aka ga-agbakwasị ụkwụ na ya bụ decision of positivity which you have taken. Were ruo ọrụ n'isi, maka na asị na onye kwechi ya ekwe, ihe ekwenyerịrị. Onye ga-ekwubi okwu n'isi gị wee nwee ikikere ikwu nke a. Ọnya ka ndị ụka na-akpọ okwukwe. You must believe and convince, so that any other person is an external person that will speak for positivity in your life must do so with your own permission. In creation, enwere ihe enwere ike force any human being, because man has free will to choose whatever the person wants. You understand? You must be convinced before any positive things can be done for you. If you don't like what is happening to you right now, you do the needful. You must be willing and be angry with that ugly situation that is not palatable in your life. That is the only way you can put an end to it. Putting an end to it, you must do the needful, work for it before any other person can assist you. It's not enough for you to be complaining that things are going bad for you. What have you done? You must be able to adapt yourself with the natural laws that governs the universe. That is the only solution. For both of you that you are finding it very difficult to follow the natural laws, instead you are looking for shortcuts. I keep saying it. There is so much danger in following spiritual shortcut. Let me paint a picture for you. If you are climbing staircase or you are descending a staircase and you try to jump staircase, believe in me, you are exposing yourself to danger and you can be harmed. But you need to take staircase one after the other, one after the other. Believe in me, gradually you are ascending. That is the only way in life. But it's a pity. Sometimes, for the fact that people don't know how things work, that is why some of them are exposing themselves to spiritual danger. That's why I keep saying that lack of knowledge is the first problem. Alcohol forces. My people are suffering because of ignorance. So pay attention and pay attentively. That you are seeing this video today, whatever, you are lucky. It was some human spirits then I took a video like this, but they are not opportune. So don't waste this opportunity of hearing my voice this moment. Gịnị bụ ndị amoosu? Amoosu enwere a lot of discipline ndị otu in ọdịnala Igbo, like ndị ọgbanje gị, ndị iyi ụwa gị, ndị ọgbọ gị na-eweta uke. Ịghọtara ya? All those people, all those ndị are disciplined ndị otu. Believe in me, o nwere ihe ọbụla Chukwu Okike permitted to exist in this cross material that is of West. O nwere ihe nwere uru ọ bara. Even ndị otu ya ọgbanje people, ndị na-edisplay gị, na-ata gị afụfụ, na-ebutere uke, na-agbawa ụta, na-emeghị nta, na-emeghị imo, that are there working for the glory of the Almighty. I know some people will not understand. I had a surprise. Yes, even discipline agency is there for good. Example, like in Agwamona, ethnic governance is prototype of what is happening in the spiritual. In the spiritual realm, ekere ọlụ eke. Enwere ndị angelo nke Chukwu ndị ọrụ ha bụ ito Chukwu Okike ihe niile ekere. The image makers. Etu esi nwe na gọọmenti nwekwa the agents of government ndị ọrụ ha bụ image makers trying to project the government in good light. nwee ndị ọ bụ ọrụ ha i-defend the nation, the territory. Nwee ndị ọ bụ ọrụ ha ije ọgụ. Nwee ndị ọrụ ha imeki sure na enwere law and order. Etu a ka ọ dị both government and the earthly system of governance. Earthly system of government we hear emulate of what is happening in the spiritual. So for them mother say God punish you, I don't want to tell them, you don't understand how things work. The Almighty Father I know, the unmovable mover, can never descend solo. In fact, calling him to punish somebody is like belittling the Almighty Father. Okay, go all work. When the angel and the world have a discipline any human being that go against the laws of nature. You know that? When you go wrong, they deal with you wrongly. In order for you to receive sense. Yes. So, on your amen. Then, etu achukwu oke si wee ka nche niile. Enwere ndị njere nke chukwu na-ebute ihe ọma dị iche iche, na-eweta ego, na-eweta knowledge, na-eweta nwa, na-eweta akụ, na-eweta ụba. Ndị na-ebute ozi ọma, ndị na-eweta message of favor. The same way akọrọ that Adagaka story in the Bible na Archangel Gabriel jezimere ozi ekene. So ihe iche ya ata ebe ahụ na nwere ndị angel nke chukwu ndị ọrụ ha iwuru nke favor. Ụgwa ndị ọrụ ọrụ ha epiọwaghị azụ where you go wrong. Maka na ọ na-agbara ụzọ ewere mgba ọrịechi. Akwụkwọ ndị ụka ọbịa si spare the cane and spoil the child. So caning you when you go wrong is part of governance. It's part of putting you in check to make sure you maintain the leg, to make sure you are not deviated from the earthly purpose why you are here. So even when things are not moving well for you, even when you are receiving them powers, still return glory to the creator of the whole universe. Yes, the Almighty deserve praises all the time. What you don't know, but let me digress a little so that you understand how things work in the spiritual. Enwere ndị yi ụwa gị, ndị ọgbanje gị, ndị otu gị, ndị etc. and etc. Yes, those people are people you had discussion with while in the spiritual realm as a spirit jam. Why coming here on earth? You set for a purpose. Only reason why you are here. There's a reason you agree with your exhumation, even in the spiritual world, before you are allowed to be here to fulfill that their earthly mission and purpose. So sometimes when you agree on what you must achieve here on earth, and they watch you closely and see that you have already moved out of the track, they can brutalize you. Example, ọ bụrụ na iwe onye akpọrọ ọrụ ka ị bịa lụọ ọrụ to ịzọpụta mkpụrụ obi ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ, and you are here, you have deviated from answering your call. They can cane you. Yes, a cane wogi ke adụ ọgwọ maka na agwọ ndị ụka ọbịa si na nwa nna hụrụ n'anya ka ọ na-adụ ndụmọdụ. So mgbe ndị abịazi dụọ gị ọdụ, my friend, go to your lane, you refuse. And they will tell you, so those whatever you call the challenges of life is ihe eji wee na-eme gị ka i receive your sense. Ọ bụrụ na ya marriage bụ ihe bata na ịchọrọ ipe attention to your calling, enwere ike strangle that your marriage. Ọ bụrụ na anyị debere ahụ na nke ga gị na enwe ndị a na-atụkwa ọya. With all your way, get you know, I should know what happened, but you that owns your body know that all is not well. Well, Piawa to the Chongwari Copono, that's this because he major. Yes, I get Jajo Mobos on the one I get you Quaja, Ajomo can never want the 2 moon. What the key is you will deviate money, wouldn't it? Yes, I call. And what the key mpịawa azụ gị wee nata ụmụ gị. Enwere the same thing with nna. Stop saying that this and that. What you don't deserve will not come to you. Once they are coming to you, you deserve it for a reason. And you can put a stop to it when you receive sense and start doing the needful. All those negativity can be revised for good. So, Almighty Father, allow those experiences to come in your way in order to make you to receive sense. You know that? So, now we have again. So, ndị na-edisipline gị, ndị njere nke Chukwu, ndị otu ga na-edisipline gị for a purpose. You know that? So, if na azago m ajụ nka, ke bụ abụ isiokwu anyị, gịnị bụ ndị Amosu? Yes, ndị Amosu bụ is a negative energy sent by humans. Ndị Amosu is they are living beings. Onye bata eji asị no na-enwere otu ndị Amosu. They are not spirits, they are humans. Onye bata eji gwa na-enwere otu ndị witchcraft. They can come in ụdị nwoke ma ụdị nwanyị. Agwaghị na-enwere physical otu ndị Amosu. Ghọtara ya? Ọrụ ha bụ to make sure they stop you from getting all your heart desires. Ọ ka ọ bụkwazie nke a na-ekwu maka ya. Casting spell on you, trying to bring you down. Ndị Amosu a na-agwa gị, they are living beings. They are living beings. Sorry. Ndị Amosu a na-agwa gị, they are living beings. This ndị Amosu a bụ ọrụ ha we make sure na ị nọrọ ebe ị kwesịrị ịnọ. And ndị Amosu a bụ ụfọdụ na-ajụ m kere ihe kpatanụ na based on experience ha nwegoro over years n'aka ndị mmadụ dị iche iche, ka ihe kpata na ọ ji abụ ha rụcha ọrụ Amosu enweghị ike after 6 months or under 1 year ndị Amosu aka na-apụta n'afa na-edisebụrụ ihe ka ọ zụrụ ya bụ na ọrụ ndị Amosu is thought, negative thought sent by living beings. And as long as you are living on earth, there are some people that will not like you. There are some people that will be okay, kwuokwa maka gị. A ga-enwere some people that will be envious of you. So that negative thought sent ọka ọ bụrụ nke a na-ekwu maka ya is the Amosu. Their work is to send that negative thoughts of pulling you down. So yes, whenever you are even thinking evil against somebody in order to hurt the person from achieving or being where it's supposed to be, you are an Amosu. You got that? So Amosu will living being. Otoro can do too for those who spiritual. Like ndị ọgbọ n'uke. They are flogging you to be on the right path. Then those ones are even helping you. Because they will torment you when you deviate from that original agreement, agree with them from the spiritual before coming to this gross material. So whenever you deviate, they will be used. The Almighty, the nature will allow them to deal with you, to flog you so that you will enter your life. You know that? Then Mananda Mosua they are not contributing anything meaningfully for your well-being. Their own is just to pull you down. So whenever you experience this Damusu, as long as you are this gross material living, you can't run away from them. All the matter from them after 6 months, 1 year, they will tell you that Damusu can happen. Yes. The only solution how you can stop them is when you go spiritual, you are highly spiritual, then it elevates your spiritual level from the, let's say, low frequency to higher frequency. the radiation that aura from you can always wage war. Whenever they throw death with their arrow of disappointment and failure, the aura and the vibration that comes from your body will nullify them. That is one. So if you don't want the diamonds to be spoiled things for you, develop your spiritual strength. That is one. The second option solution is ọ bụrụ na o nwere mmụọ angelu nke Chukwu na-repel of negative energy, ijekwa ya mbamba. Ịkụ ya mbamba anọ ka gị nwa na onwe gị mana as long as you are this gross material playing around, your hands must be contaminated. Or your hands can contact germs. So you are like somebody that is already making use of the toe disinfectants to disinfect his hands or her arms. So ịkụ arụsị mbamba na-achụ ndị amoosu nọka somebody that already form habit of using the toe to always bath. By so doing, you will be able to free yourself from those germs. But as long as you are playing around, germs must come in contact with you. You got to na-achịkọwa. So ihe he kwesịrị ime as Odinana. So as long as your spiritual level is not high, and then definitely from time to time you will come across people that is so envious of you, sending negative thought, negative energy against you to which hurt you. So you can see it. Develop your spiritual time for spiritual exercise. By so doing, you are elevating your spiritual level to a higher frequency. That is another way you can run away from them. Or they could bamba, more akọva it be protected. It is a use the toe when I on daily basis. Man, without doing any of these two things, my dear, you always be vulnerable to negative thoughts or negative things. And those negative things have a way of affecting you, pulling you down, especially when you are not vibrating in the spiritual realm. In one ajụjụ send them message na WhatsApp 08057837672. Ma ọ bụ ịchọ m na YouTube Ogbuefi EZE-ANA Ugochi tubelu oraifite. Ị na-erecha vidiyo tụsara ya ndị a dị ọnụ. Ya gazie.